This simple movement sequence, being sensitive and yet grounded, helps you to bring yourself back to balance within a few minutes. During this exercise, you will be standing on your feet. Therefore, find a comfortable position now, standing, keeping your feet apart so that you feel safe. And then close your eyes. Close your eyes and turn your attention inwards. Come in contact with your body and feel your body from top to toe, standing here right now. And also feel yourself breathing. Feel the movement of your breath while breathing in and breathing out. And now bring your attention to your feet and feel the soles of your feet touching the floor. And also sense whether the weight of your body is equally carried by both of your feet. Or does one of your feet carry more weight? And do you carry the weight of your body more on your heels or on your forefeet? And now shift the weight of your body to one of your feet, right or left. And then slowly and consciously continue shifting the weight of your body on the other foot. And it's very important to sense how you do that. You can remain slowly so that it becomes clear to you how you do that weight shifting. And while continuing shifting your weight from one foot to the other one, try to give more and more of your bodily weight to one foot. How much weight can you take over? The full weight of your body? Or just a percentage? With each repetition, take over as much weight as you can. And then slowly shift the weight to the other side. And while doing so, it might be possible to lift up the heel of the foot that carries no weight anymore, because the weight is shifted to the other side. Lift up the heel so that only the tips of your toes touch the ground. And now, while continuing shifting weight from one foot to the other one and lifting up the heel of the other foot. Let your upper body follow. Let your upper body be involved in the movements. And you can move your arms and your shoulders. You can move your whole spine, your head. So that more and more parts of your body become part of this weight-shifting movement. And now, slowly let your movements come to an end and rest for a few moments. And before you start moving again, we will do a little self-hypnosis, a little imagination. So you just imagine now the movements you have done. So you just imagine, you visualize these weight-shifting movements from one foot to the other one. Lifting up the heel that carries no weight. Allowing your whole body to be part of this weight-shifting movement. Feel all the details of these movements you have done as clearly as you can. Visualize how your spine moves. Visualize how your arms and shoulders move and participate in the movements. Visualize what your head does while moving. And also feel your ribs, your breastbone. And if you are completely clear how you move your body, then slowly start moving. Start moving gently and softly, and become one with the movements you visualized. Yes, invite all your bodily parts to join the movements, these weight-shifting movements. And do it as imagined. Do it as previously visualized. And even tiny parts of your body are allowed to join. And while moving, perhaps you feel that even your breath wants to join the movements. So perhaps movements and breath fall in a kind of rhythm. Just watch it. Perhaps it just happens. Perhaps it just happens in its own accord that movements and breath are in a rhythm. And now, pay most of your attention to the quality of your movements and allow your body to move gently, with fluidity, soft, so that you feel well, so that you feel expressed by these movements. Yes. And let these movements become one whole movement that has no beginning and no end. Even while you shift your weight from one foot to the other one, there is no stop in between, but it is a whole fluid movement. Let it become one whole. And now, slowly and gently, prepare yourself for taking your movements by and by back. Let them become smaller and smaller, by and by. And soon your movements will even come to an end. But take your time for that. Let them become smaller and smaller and even smaller. And the more you take your movements back, the more they will echo on inside of your body. Take your time. Let them become smaller and let them come to an end very soon. And as soon as they have stopped, feel how they echo on inside of your body. Perhaps you still feel a kind of weight shifting movement inside. Or there is just a tone, a fragrance left. And whenever you feel your movement has come to an end, pay attention again to your feet and feel how your feet carry the weight of your body. Do they carry 50% of your bodily weight? Or does one of your feet carry more weight than the other one? Just feel it, and perhaps you remember how it was in the beginning when you observed that for the first time? Has something changed? Is something different right now? And how do you feel? How do you feel right now? Yes. And now, take your time before you open your eyes and stay connected with your body.